How to set up recurring deposits in Tangerine. Begin by opening the app and logging into your account. From the home screen, tap the menu icon and choose the account where you want your deposits to go. Next, look for the transfers or move money and select the option to set up automatic transfer. You'll then choose the account the money will come from, enter the amount you'd like to deposit, and decide how often it should happen, such as weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. You can also set the start date and the duration, so the deposits run for as long as you need. Before finishing, take a moment to review the details carefully to make sure the amount, accounts, and schedule are all correct. Once you're ready, tap Confirm to save your recurring deposit. The app will show you a confirmation message, and from that point on, your deposits will happen automatically. This makes it easier to stay consistent with saving and reach your financial goals without any extra effort. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.